Hello and welcome, as it is the first day of October 2019. My name is Derek. This is the Money Charts channel. And like always, all bets, trades, and of the like within each's own risk and their own reward. Not much to go over on charts, as this is focused on CoinExchange. So we'll get there in a little bit. As what I usually do is every so often, which is almost once a day or 5, 6 times a week, I'll move on to the XBY market on CoinExchange just to see what's happening over there, because it's a market I got out of. It's a market of coins I have or had on Cryptopia that I'm not sure if I'll ever see back again. Although the progress from Twitter on Cryptopia is looking better than I thought, but still not good. Now, CoinExchange again shutting down business today. So we go to this. Let me just change the screen size on this. What we can see on the top of the screen is we are closing down soon. Read the announcement for full details. Please make sure all withdrawals are completed before the 1st of December. So let's click on the announcement. It is with great regret that we must inform the community that the board of directors of CoinExchange has decided to close down the exchange. This is purely a business decision, and there has not been a security breach or any other type of incident. Unfortunately, it is no longer economically viable for us to continue offering market services. The cost of providing the required level of security and support now outweigh their earnings. Trading and deposits will be suspended on the 15th day of October, so 2 weeks from now, this site will be done in that sense. You got 2 weeks to do whatever trades on there, get your coins. We got longer to get your coins off, but the website withdrawals will remain operational until the first day of September, or December rather, of this year, which means 2 months. And they ask for you to remove all your coins. It has been a fantastic journey, and they have enjoyed playing a part in the cryptocurrency space. We thank everyone that has traded or listed a currency with them. So sadly, it is goodbye for them. However, they may return in the future if market conditions change. And with that being said, that's a situation where we know what's going to happen is a lot of the coins that are or exclusive, that's a better word, exclusive to CoinExchange, are going to take a beating. XBY is one of them. I'm surprised it's not down as much as it is already. This is a surprise to me. For if we take a look at this, say, on a 3-hour term time frame, I don't regret getting out of this market, but I would have profited had I not. And obviously today would have been the exit day. I would have sold everything right now in the market if I was still in it. For back in here, I was like, yeah, this thing is going down. And it did. It had a decent sized move. But had I not gotten out, all my buy orders would have filled. And we can see in here just the tradability. Up, down, move in here. And then it gets all the way up here to 200. So there's lovely sell opportunities and everything. And of course, now the market is down. We can see Minex is down 95%. But if we go to the Doji exchange, and I think, unfortunately, let me just try to fix the font size, see if I can, that'll do it. If we look at some of these decliners in here, like 60% down, 50, 60, 70, 80% down. 92% down for SVT. It's just all of these major declines. 97.75% down. BLN's down 93%. 97.6% for Mars too. And I've looked at this one already. And there's a whole bunch of them getting their asses kicked. So if these are coins that are not available to be traded on another exchange, and it says here, Mars Bucks is not compatible with Mars Coin. Transferring coins between the wallets of these two completely different coins will result in lost coins. Mars Bucks is traded exclusively on CoinExchange.io. Thank you for your understanding. And while they won't be trading anymore for after 2 weeks, but within today's session, this was at like 140,000 units against Doji, now down to 2,700. As we could if we take a look at this, say, on a 6-hour term time frame, before the day was up, it was just doing all this stuff. We could see 118 on the low end, like basically between 100 and 200,000. This is primarily traded from June 22nd to now, with the exception of this freak breakout rally, which only price pays those who had sell orders in there. But these volumes are very, very low, and obviously when that's the case, as they state, it outweighs the revenue outweighs their expenses. That's what happens when that happens. That's the end of business. And within a lot of these other exchanges that are like this, they're all as risky for the situation as well. Now, exchanges like Binance are doing very well because of their higher volumes. Now, how other exchanges like Poloniex and Bittrex, I don't know how well they're doing on a financial level, but obviously, if you're trading on those exchanges, if you're trading coins like the LITECOIN, the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, any of the things that are trading on Binance and any of the other major exchanges, then you're not going to see here Litecoin's up 3.24% against Doji, because why do you need to sell your Litecoin? You can just get it off the exchange. But why do you need to sell your PCN or your Skill or your Buzzcoin? Mental Coin, interesting name. I'll take a quick look at that, see why it lost 96.9%. What's safe to know is that this coin isn't traded on like any other exchange where obviously it just doesn't. It would be stupid, because then you could buy at the cheap prices, send it to the other exchange, and sell it. So that's why those coins will survive. You might get those coins at cheap prices. I was looking at ETC earlier, and the ask price was like, it wasn't great. It was maybe 0.25% cheaper than the price to sell at on major exchanges like Binance, which is like hardly much of an arbitrage at all. But obviously, people looking to get out of those coins, like coins like ETC, of course, people can just withdraw to their wallets or other exchanges. But as you can see here, this thing was up to 70,000 on this big move, came back down to or 700,000 rather. Yeah, because then it came back down to 100,000, and now it's down to 300. Is that it? Really that bad? 250, yep, and this was okay, 17,000. Okay, either way, even still, 70,000 down to 10,000 down to 300. That's just how the game goes. So thank you for tuning in, and if you're on this exchange, just you gotta get your coins off, obviously, and any of these shit coins like that, well, not much else you can do, because I'm sure you're sending your SVT. I'm sure you can send it to a wallet, but a lot of these coins might be the end of a lot of these coins because of just one exchange deciding that they're shutting down because, well, they got nowhere else to go. But pretty much almost all of these coins are all shit coins, scam coins, with obviously no real practical uses and stuff like that. That there's way too many cryptocurrencies out there that seeing some of these coins hit the wayside is something that probably is not a surprise. That's the best way of putting it. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.